How do I connect my PS4 controller to my console or other devices?
Hello everyone! In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to connect a PlayStation 4, PS4 controller to your console and other devices. This skill is essential for gamers who want to enjoy their favorite PS4 games on different platforms.
How do I connect my PS4 controller to the console?
To begin, let's start by connecting the PS4 controller to the console. Follow these steps. 1. Turn on your PS4 console. You can do this by pressing the power button on the console. 2. Connect the PS4 controller. Using the USB cable that came with the controller, connect one end to the PS4 controller and the other to the console. 3. Press the PS button. The PS button is the round button located in the middle of the controller. This will turn on the controller, and the console should recognize it automatically.
How do I connect my PS4 controller to a PC?
You might want to use your PS4 controller for some PC gaming too. Here's how you can do it. 1. Install DS4 Windows. This is a free utility that tricks your PC into thinking your PS4 controller is an Xbox controller. 2. Connect your PS4 controller to the PC. You can do this either using a USB cable or via Bluetooth. For Bluetooth, hold the PS and share button until the light bar starts to flash, then pair it with your PC in your PC's Bluetooth settings. 3. Follow the prompts in DS4 Windows. The utility will guide you through the setup process.
How do I connect my PS4 controller to a mobile device?
For those who enjoy mobile gaming, you can also connect your PS4 controller to your Android or iOS device. Here's how. 1. Put your PS4 controller in pairing mode. You can do this by holding down the PS button and the share button simultaneously until the light bar starts to blink. 2. Go to your mobile device's Bluetooth settings. On your mobile device, open the settings and navigate to the Bluetooth section. 3. Select the PS4 controller. Your device should discover the PS4 controller, listed as DualShock 4 Wireless Controller. Tap on it to pair. And that's it. You now know how to connect your PS4 controller to a variety of devices, including the PS4 console, a PC, and even mobile devices. Enjoy your gaming on any platform. Thanks for watching and happy gaming!